Automatic humidity control. Incubator. Use process. Put the base, the grid, the egg frame, the card stripping order. Put in the eggs. Close the top cover. Make sure the shaft is inserted into the egg frame slot. Test to see if the egg can be turned smoothly. Open transparent cover and install hose assembly. Connect the power supply and turn on automatically. Direct current interface can also be used. Power on, start heating, fan turning. Set required parameters. If the humidity is lower than the set value, the humidity control motor operates by itself. The motor rotates and the straw absorbs water. For about 10 minutes, water gradually fills the pipe. Water trickled into the incubator until the humidity reaches the set value. Stage egg lighting according to demand. Use vent valves as required. Digital incubator.